Hello guys, it's me, Nagito Komaeda. I'm gonna be, since I've seen Jade gonna start a new series, I decided, which is reacting. Um, she says she wanted me to react to mukbangs. Mukbang. I'm gonna go with mukbangs, but I got her Chromebook here. Sadly, I can't play any games on it. I can only watch it. Well, it's fine. It's her Chromebook after all, but worthless trash like me wouldn't know about. Anyway, she wanted me to react to this mukbang video. I'm gonna be looking at more so this video isn't too long. I mean, why would you want to see worthless trash like me on the screen? But anyway, got the Chromebook here, sorry guys, I got the video right over here. I'm gonna try put links to the description down below. Um, but yeah, time to start reacting. Let me turn up the full volume so you guys could hear that. I mean, why would you want to hear my annoying voice? But anyway, enough with the insults. Let's get into it. Luckily, guys, I can see what you're seeing on the screen. So, I better start. Oh, she's having mint, but personally, my favorite, to be honest. Yes, I'll gladly take a bite, thank you. Oh, be careful, lady. Hello there. Yeah, I'm doing fine, thank you for asking. Well, I'm glad you're doing well. Oh, everything mint? Wow, my personal favorite, to be honest. Guys, what is your favorite flavor? Comment down below, please. I mean, obviously, you know mine. You know, her ASMR is really nice, to be honest. Yeah, cookie dough is quite nice, to be honest. I like the ones that you can, perhaps eat while it's still raw and all that. I heard raw cookie dough makes you sick, but when I've had it, it doesn't make me sick at all, to be honest. Oh, boba. I've actually had boba before. It's quite tasty, to be honest. Even though Kokichi spilled my boba on me. Oh, brat. I don't think it was a good idea for him to come. Anyway, sorry about that, guys. No offense. I really like it how you can, chew the boba, to be honest. Like those little black thingy-majiggies or whatever. Quite tasty and refreshing. Especially in this time of heat. Oh, she's reaching for the the mint chocolate bar. Oh, those are so good, especially in this darn heat. This damn heat, I can't stand it. The satisfying thing, about popsicles, like when you take a bite of them, like in the heat, it maybe your body feels nice and just refreshing, nice and cold. Also, are her lips okay? Like they seem a bit sore, to be honest, or is that just makeup? I wouldn't really know much about makeup, even though Shuichi insists on putting eyeliner on me, which I don't mind. I don't mind being I don't mind being a guinea pig for such a great symbol of hope like Shuichi. Oh yes, I'll gladly take a bite, thank you. But you shouldn't, after all, I'm such worthless trash after all. I believe it's good or whatever. Ah, those nice noises. Like, you know, the satisfying crunch or whatever. Oh, it's melting. Oh no, it's not good. Oh yeah, thank you. I'll gladly take the spoon, please. Yes, thank you. And here's a bite for all of you guys. Here you go. Did she just eat a spoon? Oh my gosh! No, guys, I'm just kidding. It's an edible spoon. It's chocolate spoons. I've had them before. Jade's had like a candy cane one. It was really good, to be honest. She has good mint taste, to be honest. She's so beautiful and so precious. You know, I remember like one time, like, you know, Jade did give Eli candy, like, spoon. Well, he didn't know it was a candy spoon. And he was confused about it. But then when she ate the edible spoon, we freaked out and we had a good laugh about it. Because he didn't know it was edible until he smelled it, and then he realized, like, oh, it's mint candy cane. It's a pretty funny story to tell. Heard Junko's gonna be reacting to mukbangs next. Ugh, such a despairful sight. Can't stand that bitch. It's like she's too despairful for my eyes, and the fact that people shit me with her, it's just ugh, disgusting. Ugh, I can't stand that. Ugh, can't even believe I would cut my perfectly hand. Took a long time to like. Well, currently I had to remove that nail polish off, but now I'm getting used to it. It's seriously disgusting. Ooh. Anyways, let me find another mukbang. As much as I'm enjoying or seeing or let me look at let me try and look for another one. Hold on one sec, guys. Alright guys, I had to skip through all the ads, but I found a cookie dough mukbang by a different female. Sorry if it's only 2 mukbangs, guys. It's just that, you know, I don't want to make this video too long, but ooh, isn't that a beautiful, sexy ass cookie dough? Please give it to me, baby. Sorry, guys, if that's weird, I apologize. Ooh, look at that. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. I heard that mukbangers basically, like, eat without a few days of food and then they start munching on it. I've seen some mukbangs. A lot of them are crazy as hell. Like, what the hell? Fuck? But I like the more common ones, such as her, for example. I mean, she's not just devouring into it, she's just eating it gracefully. Anyway, guys, I should probably end the video now. I don't want this video to be too long, but I hope you guys had fun watching, and sorry if you had to see my disgusting, ugly face, but I'll see you next time. Royal Rose Petals. Nagito Komaeda, signing off. Bye bye, symbols of beautiful hope.